Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can replace images in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So I just take one templates, like I can take Instagram. Okay, I just take the templates for Instagram post. Okay, so here we have the template, so I just choose this. Okay, so let me choose this one. Let me customize it. So here in this templates we have the server image, you can see. So we can select any image and you can detach that image. Okay, like this. Okay, just right click and detach this image will be detached. Now you just scroll, just select that and delete it. Now you can upload your own image from here. Okay, or you can use or search new image from Canva. Like if you want image like car image, then search for car, go to the photos, and here you can take the any car photo and you can just drag and drop here. And if you want to edit or customize, just double click on it, and just you can also okay, you can customize like this. You need to just drag this left or right and make sure which, and just keep part which you want to visible on this frame. Okay, and that's done. Okay, or you can upload your own photo. Go to the upload your photo. I will show you. Okay, click on uploads, select your photo, then it will be start uploading here. Okay, and you can select this and drag here. Okay, first you need to detach that existing image and you can drag the your new one. Okay, if you want to edit, just click and double click on it. Now you can drag like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.